Hello, and I'm Andrea Gonzalez, and I'll be discussing the laboratory activity number 14, which is the implementation of the interpolation process. I'd like to discuss first the difference of the upsampling and the interpolation. Upsampling is the process of inserting valued samples between original samples in order to increase the sampling rate. It can also be called the zero stuffing. As for the interpolation, it is the process of upsampling followed by filtering. And as you can see on my screen, here's a set of codes in order to perform the interpolation on an input signal that I'll be inputting later on. And this can be done using the interp function, as you can see here in the y equation. Let's try to run the codes. It should be asking me the input for the inputted signal. Let's try number 5 for the upsampling factor, 9 for the length of the input signal, 0.1 for the first sinusoidal frequency, and 0.3 for the frequency of the second sinusoidal. As we can see on the input sequence, it goes up on the first second of the sequence, then goes down and retains, and goes up again. Then proceeds to 0, then peaks at the lowest point and goes higher and proceeds to 0.363271 and retains. However, it differs on the interpolated output sequence, which it goes up for the 5th second and goes to 0 again for the 12th second and goes up again to the peak level, same as the 5th second's peak for the 20th second, and goes 0 for the 25th second. It goes down to its lowest point, which is its lowest peak, which is the 30th second for negative 1.5, and goes higher and retains its value in this, or in between 0 and negative 1.